Hi my dear students, today we are going to discuss regarding to the continuation part of the 10th class mathematics. Concept is complementary trigonometric ratios related exercise 11.3. So before going to solve the questions in this exercise, you have to aware about the complementary trigonometric ratios which are I discussed in the previous videos related to concept of trigonometric ratios. If you are not aware of it, please go through that video first and then come to here. So now first and basic information you have to know, that is, if sine of 90 minus a is there, then it is convert into cos a. Cos of 90 minus a is convert into sine a. Okay, means sine function is changing as a cos function. For the complementary trigonometries, cos is changing as a sine. Similarly, you have to remember tan 90 minus a is a cot a, cot 90 minus a is a tan a, and secant 90 minus a, it is a cosecant a, cosecant 90 minus a is a secant a. Okay, so with this basic idea, you can able to solve the rest of questions easily. That is, if you see clearly, okay, there is a first question is given as like this. What is the question is given? The question is given clearly, that is tan 36 by cot 54. So both angles add sum. If you will get it, then that numerical is related to complementary trigonometric ratios. So here tan 36 can be written as tan 90 minus 54. So 90 and 54 if you subtract, then also you will get 36. So as I told you that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, then we can say it is a tan 90 minus 54 also cot 54. So that tan 36 by cot 54 can be written as tan 36 means cot 54 by cot 54. Okay, so ratio is same, it becomes a 1. Student may can get, can we able to change the cot 54? Absolutely, you can change in terms of tan, but both should not change. Okay, so let us see that question number 2. What is that? Cos 12 minus sin 78. So cos 12 minus sin 78. Directly also you can do it. What we can write? Cos 12 can be written as 90 minus 78, because 12 and 78 are a complement. Sin as it is, only one trigonometric ratio you have to change. So that here cos 90 minus theta is can be written as a sin 78 minus sin 78. So result is similar numbers difference is becomes 0. So answer for this question is 0 and answer for this is nothing but 1. Try to find the answer for third one also. This can be written as, it is cosecant 31 can be written as cosecant 90 minus 51 we can write. 90 minus 51 is 31 minus secant 59. So cosecant 90 minus theta is becomes sin theta, that is, sorry, secant theta. secant 59 minus it is secant 59. So difference of those two numbers, similar numbers, is becomes 0. So answer is becomes 0. In bits point of view, you can do directly. Okay. So difference of the two complementary trigonometry ratios is 0, and ratio of the two complementary trigonometric ratios is 1. Let us try to solve one more question given here. What is that? Sine 15 and secant 75, they are in multiple. So again, one function you have to change, other we have to leave as it is. So here we go with the sign change. Sine 15 can be written as what we can write? Sine 90 minus 75 we can write. That is a secant 75. So sin 90 minus theta is a cos theta, that is cos 75 into secant 75. So cos 75 can be written as 1 by secant 75 because they are both the inverse trigonometric ratios. So secant 75. So both are gets cancelled. Ratio is become multiple is becomes a 1 here. We will go with the one more question here, that is similar as it is. Tan 26 can be written as a 90 minus 64. 90 minus 64. You can say that why you are writing, sir, because these two sum is nothing but complement, then one trigonometric ratios you have to change one of them. Okay, so it is tan 90 minus theta is a cot 64 into tan 64. So tan 9, sorry, this can be written as cot can be written as 1 by tan. So it is 64 into tan 64. Both are gets cancelled. It is becomes 1. I hope you understood these kind of models, right? Let us see. There is a one more question is given. Okay, in this if you see clearly, there is a 48 16 is there in case of tan. This is also same in tan function only there. But if you see any two trigonometric ratios sum is 90, then they are nothing but complement as like this is. So two ratios are complement to other two, then what we should do is change the first two. Okay, that is tan 90 minus 48 can be written as a 42. So tan 16 can be written as tan 90 minus 74. Remaining as it is. What is that? Tan 42 as like a tan 42 only. Tan 74 as tan 74 because we were changed to other two we have to leave as it is. So tan 90 minus theta is a cot theta. It is a cot 42. And cot tan 90 minus 74 is a cot 74 into tan 42 tan 74. So tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta because both are the inverse trigonometric ratios or reciprocals. Then 1 by it is a tan 42 into 1 by tan 74 into tan 42 into tan 74. 42 gets cancelled, 74 gets cancelled, so remains is a 1. So hence proved. So we took LHS and with that LHS we were proved RHS. So similarly, there is one more question is there. Before that, pause the video and copy the all answers. Okay, next. This time you try. I will wait for a few seconds. Otherwise, pause the video and do it. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what you do is now after that repause it. Okay, play the video and listen the class if it's not possible to solve with you. So cos components are two are there, for their complement is in terms of sine is there. So LHS you take it and you have to prove that RHS is 0. So cos 36 I am writing as a cos 90 minus it is a 36. If we will add 54 it is becoming 90, so I can write in terms of 54. So cos 54 I am writing cos 90 minus 36 minus sine 36 and a sine 54. So cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, sine 54 sine 36 minus sine 36 sine 54. So here total function what is there, here also same there. So difference of two same numbers is becomes 0. So it is equal to what, RHS. Hence proved it is. Okay, my dear students, let us see the one more question. Here tan 2a and cot a minus 18 are equal, where 2a is acute angle, find the value of a. So before going to solve, tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. So tan 2a can be written as 90 minus 2a. What we can write, ma? Cot 90 minus 2a is equals to, it is a cot a minus 18. So if two trigonometric ratios are equal, their angles are also equal. We were proved in the first exercise about this is okay. So here 90 minus 2a and a minus 18 are acute angles. Okay, so that is nothing but 90 minus 2a is equals to a minus 18. So transfer these values. Okay, 90, 18 has come this side, plus 18. A is transferred, so it is nothing but plus 2a. So 108 is equal to 3a. Then a is equals to 108 by 3. It is nothing but 3s are and 6 are. So it is a 36 degrees. Okay, my dear students, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.